Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Because of sort of limited to, ability for your tires to come into contact with asphalt. It's tricky. It was cool if you descend.
Whoa! Somebody pulled out in front of me. Alright.
Let Dr. Walt do a nerve test on you.
Freaking idiot.
Stippling on the left side of the step.
Stippling is a burn pattern caused by gunpowder exploding from a weapon fired at close range. About a
What the fuck? You are a dickhead! You son of a bitch! Filha da puta! O vermelho. Olha, polícia. Bem feita. E foi o que eu... Vai, vai, vai. Anda lá. Bota aí, cara.
also said, yeah, it's normal here. I'm like, yeah.
Are they chasing this guy? They are. He's not pulling over for them. Nope.
Oh, there they come.
Two more.
Whoa.
Alright, buddy, we can't block these guys.
Oh boy. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh boy.
They're chasing that guy.
Whoa.
They're still chasing.
Oh my God, he's all banged up.
Oh yeah.
That's that same truck, that same vehicle. That's that same vehicle
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
we passed.
Pretty heavy exit 98 into exit 90. Turnpike southbound through the eastern spur, you'll see a minor delay. The Lincoln Tunnel ramps to exit 15W. Western spur, nothing bad at all. Turning southbound. Route 18 southbound through Brunswick. That jams up River Road into the Turnpike, adding about 15 minutes on your drive. 287 southbound, heavy anywhere from exit 5 into the Turnpike. And traveling 280 you'll see a jam exit 12 into exit 14. New Jersey, no delays on the GWB either level. Lincoln Tunnel looks good. Holland Tunnel, 5 to 10 minutes coming in from the Turnpike. Now a 15 to 20 minute delay, though, coming in from routes 1 and 9. I'm Brendan Joseph, New Jersey traffic north.
Joe Myron, New Jersey traffic south. It is a little tough at 290. There is...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.